Dr. Matthew Hubner here. I have the pleasure to announce that Dr. Blumenthal here is the Senior Physician at our Bethesda clinic at Natural Transplants. I've had the honor of knowing Kevin for the past 15 to 20 years. We went to medical school together, had a lot of good times there. I know his family well. He's now located in the DC area and he's going to be heading up the Bethesda office in Bethesda, Maryland, right outside of DC. Kevin's a great guy, not only personally, but he's actually very well trained. He was initially in the field of urology for many years and slowly began to transition into cosmetic medicine and now hair transplants. So couldn't be happier to have him here as part of our team. If anyone has any questions or wants to have a face-to-face with myself or Dr. Blumenthal, you can give us a call anytime, 844-327-4247.